What's up guys? 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 Welcome to the channel. My name is Glenn, and today on this video I'm gonna talk about type of myth that you should avoid, man. I hope when you start this journey of yours of Minoxidil, I hope you did enough research and properly. The myth that I'm gonna talk about, you have heard them, or at some point you've read about them on their Facebook pages and also on some of YouTube channels. So I'm hoping you will find this information useful. I hope you understand that Minoxidil, it affects us very different from each and every one of us. So before I talk about those myths though, I just want to say thank you very much guys for watching, subscribing to the channel, and also not forgetting those who like and comment to the videos. Thank you very much guys, it really means a lot to me. Myth number one is that Minoxidil, it's Minoxidil. I like to say no. I have a reason why I'm saying Minoxidil is not Minoxidil. It's because of the following reason. First of all, before I tell you the reason, let me first clarify this. Yes, there are brands of Minoxidil which are the same, which have the same ingredients and everything. But there are other brands of Minoxidil that you should be careful of. First of all, brands like Kirkland, Rogaine, and Equate. Those brands are the three brands that I know for sure that they have the same ingredients, even the amount of Minoxidil. So those are the brands that are the same. But when I check brands like Fully Gain, Foam version, look man, they are different. It has the ingredients that the Kirkland has, but it has more. It has some fragrances and some of the ingredients that are used to make your beard shine. So those are the things that are different. Is it bad? Fully Gain? No, it's really not bad. But what I can tell you is that it's less effective as compared to Kirkland Foam version. If you want to see the video that I made comparing the two, check it out because I go deeper on that. Now let's talk about the actual reason why I named this as a myth. 2-gain 5% liquid version of Minoxidil. It is not a good idea to use for beard growth. Let me tell you why. First of all, 2-gain 5% liquid version of Minoxidil, it contains a substance known as finasteride. Now finasteride guys, it is basically used to block DHT. It's not that much, it's actually 0.1% of finasteride. But can you only imagine if you use this for more than a year, it means it can actually block the DHT, because we all know, if you don't know, we all know that DHT is what we need the most in order for us to grow the beard. In fact, to have hair in our body, DHT is actually responsible for that. If you don't know, I made a video about DHT, explained almost everything that you need to know about DHT. Check the icon out there. Now finasteride guys, it blocks DHT, and when it blocks the DHT, it has some side effects such as mood swings and low libido. So you've probably heard some guys talking about using Minoxidil and now their libido is too low. It's because they're using Minoxidil that has finasteride. So finasteride is bad guys. It's really not a good idea. It's good for growing hair when you're about to go bald, or if you know that you can go bald, but it's very bad for your libido. I don't want to lie guys, it's very bad. Go and research about finasteride, then you'll find out the side effects of finasteride. Now the second myth that you should be careful of is a type of beard oil. Look man, this one is quite tricky because people lie and say this type of a beard oil will help you grow a beard faster and all that. No, beard oil in general, it doesn't help the beard to grow faster. No, it doesn't do that, but it does help the beard to grow. How? First of all, beard oil, it just strengthens the hair that you have. It also moisturizes your cheek area so that it can be healthier. So the hair or the beard that you have is gonna be strengthened, meaning it can grow longer, so it's gonna look healthier. Is it gonna activate any beard? No, it really doesn't. So I've heard people saying, oh, don't use this type of beard oil, it contains DHT blockers, don't use. Look man, it doesn't really contain much of a DHT blocker. It's very small, man. The fraction is 0 to none, to be honest. Is 0 to nothing. So what I can tell you guys, it's any beard oil, it's actually good, okay? While we recommend jojoba oil and Jamaican black castor oil, yes, we recommend those ones because they are said to be having less DHT blockers. But to be honest with you, any beard oil, it's alright. Any beard oil, as long as it's beard oil, it's alright. The main reason why I'm saying that is because of there are guys who are blessed with genetics. They don't even use Minoxidil and they use beard oil just to moisturize their face, and they are having nice gains. Yes, they have genetics on their side, but if that was the case, the beard oil was supposed to actually hinder or cause their beard to grow very slow, but they're having crazy growth, so it doesn't really block your DHT. Okay, so beard oil, guys, it actually helps your beard to be stronger and can grow longer. So that's all that the beard oil does, guys. Okay, that's all what it does. So another myth is that Minoxidil can actually give you full beard. Look, guys, it depends. It actually depends. Let's talk about this, man. Most people are very not informed when it comes to this part. You know, have you ever noticed some people, when they use Minoxidil, they have full beard, and others they just have okay beard? And then we start to categorize those people. We have slow gainers and fast gainers. It's because, guys, Minoxidil, it doesn't really help you to grow new beard. Pay attention, I'm saying new beard. I'm not saying no beard at all. What Minoxidil does, guys, it activates the beard that you're going to have anyway. So if in your family tree you have a beard genetics and you apply Minoxidil, it's gonna activate your beard to grow to that to full potential. So if in your family you don't have beard genetics at all, it won't do nothing, guys. It will show probably some few mustache, probably a small fuzzy beard there, but really it won't do nothing. So first of all, it's very important before you start this journey to check whether in your family you do have some beard genetics. If that is possible, then Minoxidil, what it's going to do is gonna activate your beard to grow quicker. What Minoxidil is doing is actually bridging that gap. It's bridging that gap. Instead of you waiting for 10 years in order for you to have a full beard, Minoxidil, what it does, it minimizes those years by applying Minoxidil every day for 2 years, probably for 6 months. I don't know for how long, depends on the person. It actually gonna grow the beard that you're going to have anyway. So you will see people saying stuff like, oh man, Minoxidil doesn't work, oh man, Minoxidil works. Hence we say it depends. So guys, I hope this information was very useful. If you find this information useful, please don't forget to share and like, comment, and also guys, you can comment on the comment section and tell me the myth that you've heard of when you're using this Minoxidil thing. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, cheers.